Congratulations again, Cecil and Eric. Wow, galing mo talaga, girl. Ginawa mo lahat yan?
Pinaluto ko yan. Iba.
Galing. Wow. Barbecue. May barbecue pa.
May barbecue.
Galing naman ng mga talagang very serving tong family ito. Uy, hi there. Congratulations to Jessica! Aba, pinakamahaba yata pila rito. Say congratulations to Jessica! Hi! Hi, Tito! At Tita Seni! Ate!
Congratulations, Jessica. So happy for you.
Yes!
Good luck. Good luck to everything you do.
Thank you, Ate. Hi! Hi! Say congratulations to Jessica. Hello, beautiful. Is this Miss Arizona?
I'm her friend from school.
Oh, I thought you're Miss Arizona. Yes, or Miss America. Hi, how are you? Good to see both of you. Good to see you. Say congratulations to Jessica.
Congratulations.
Hello, Potito. Say congratulations to Jessica. There's more food here. Very proud ang buong community. Hi, Tete. Again, congratulations to Jessica. Tignan mo naman. Ang galing talaga ni Miss Cecil magralang. Girl, hanga talaga ako sa'yo. Galing talaga ng Miss Cecil Rivera maglalang.
Thank you, girl.
Gawa niya yan. Gawa niya yan. Uy, ano ito, Cecil?
Pico.
Gawa mo din? Wow! Tanggalin na natin. Ha? Wow! Gawa mo to.
Colors, gold and maroon.
Wow! ASU! Thank you so much for what you do. And of course, sweet treats of Arizona's best delicacy. Everyone's happy. Hi! Say happy. Congratulations to Jessica. To you too. Again! Hi, Tita. Congratulations to Jessica.
Congratulations, Jessica. Congratulations.
Yes. Hi, Tito. Isa pa ulit. Video na to, video.
Kumain na sila. Ay, nandito ulit ako.
Uy, mas maganda yata itong pagkain dito, ano? Ba, may kanin dito. Wow. Hello, sir. Good to see you. Yeah. Uy, hi, kuya. Wow. Spaghetti ni Cecil, masarap yan.
Kanya to?
Yes. Congratulations! Congratulations, Jessica! Summa cum laude! The whole community celebrates with you, Cheska. God bless you more.